Hello there, this is Bokenya Swaraj, the author of The Future World Years Ahead of Us. In this book, we look at the creation of new invasions, arrivals in new places, the gossip today of super weapons, space science. We are looking at the galaxies, flying cars, the floating city, technologies of robots, the cyborgs. You can look at big data, the artificial intelligence, 5G, aliens, the moon, and many ideas. You can get all those details in that book on my website, which is published below, and more details are also illustrated when you look at this below.